Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the last flex day of the 2018-2019 school year. To find your information that you might need for today, look for the folder labeled Flex Day / e-learning stuff. It should be over on your left-hand side where your other class files might be located at. It's not hard to find. If you do have issues, please email me and I will help you or direct you to that area to find the stuff you need for today. Order of business. Inside that folder, you're going to see 3 different numbered activities. The first folder is the contact information and other general things you might need throughout the day. Due dates, how to contact someone if you need help with a resource room teacher, or if you just need to simply get a hold of me. That can all be found in the first, number 1 folder. The second folder, number 2, read through the article / pre-activity information provided. This preps you for what you are about to do as your activity. Kind of lays the groundwork. Introduction, I guess you could say. And then number 3, which is the third folder, this contains the work that is expected to be finished by 4/19/20. Yes, 4/19/20 is Friday. There's a Dropbox for everything. Some classes may have more than one thing to submit, so make sure you pay attention to those Dropboxes and other things as you're going through. I hope you have a great day. It looks like the weather's going to be pretty nice except for a few scattered thunderstorms here and there, but we're talking almost 70 degrees by the end of the day, so get outside and enjoy the good weather if you get a chance. Have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow.